adventure. I'm out here in Grayson Highlands State Park in Virginia. A beautiful place, as you can see. There's some beautiful mountains behind me that we're about to hike up, and my pack might look a little big, and that's because we're going backpack. And it's not just me, of course, I have Caden. And we're both gonna be backpacking the Mount Rogers Loop Trail, which is a 20-mile loop here in the Jefferson National Forest and Grayson Highland area. Right now, we're on the way up there to Wilburn Ridge. We're gonna hike up that, past that, around Mount Rogers, which is the tallest mountain in Virginia, and back around to here. We're gonna be out here today and tomorrow. We're going to New England, as most of you know, in about 6 days, and we're doing some backpacking up there. And I wanted to test this bear can since I have to have one up there, and that's why we're here. We're gonna test this equipment out, see if we can do the 20 miles in 2 days. How you feeling?
Feeling great. Last time we were here, it was actually icy. There was ice everywhere.
Yep.
And actually, right behind us, right here, was a big ice thing that I slipped on my butt.
Yep. This area is known for its wild ponies and wild longhorn. So last time we were here, we got bombarded by some, and they tried to steal our food. No. This is my stuff. Hopefully that doesn't happen while we're sleeping tonight, but you never know. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on the trail. Guys, we've stumbled upon our first group of wild ponies. Look at them. Sometimes they'll kick you, so you kind of have to be a little careful. But what's up, Bubba? He munching. They're on trail, and his butt's facing us. And I don't want to get kicked in the nuts.
Yeah, don't get kicked.
I've seen videos of people getting kicked in the nuts. Yeah. Damn, dude, we've already climbed pretty far. We were way down there not too long ago. This is the only climb for today. So once this climbs up, we're pretty much good until we set up camp. There's a bunch of ponies over here. A bunch of them just grazing in this field. Alright, so we have made it into the tree line. Finally, we're out of the wind, and we're walking up on where me, Caden, and my friend Jared went backpacking last year. It's the only campsite I've ever backpacked to here. It's a really nice campsite, but we are not staying there this time. We're going to another camp spot that I've never been to. Oh, dude, we just passed the 500 mark on the AT. Look at this. So basically, this right here marks 500 miles for people that have been hiking the Appalachian Trail from Georgia. This is the 500 mile mark. I didn't even know that. That's pretty cool. One day, I promise guys, I'm doing the AT. I don't know when, whenever I'm able to, financially and with time and everything, doing it, hands down. But we might stop here in a little bit and take a squat and get some snacks and some water. Maybe right here, to be honest. Yeah, this is pretty nice right here. We might stop right here and take a little break and eat some snacks. Pick strawberry right off the rip. So from here on out, after we just passed Thomas Knob Shelter, this is all uncharted territory. We have no idea what's up ahead really, except for what's on the map, because we've never been this way. So I'm excited to see what the trail holds. just super beautiful. Spruce trees. It's amazing. And the ferns. Guys, this section of trail is so beautiful, man. I feel like I'm like hiking to Mordor or something, dude. Look at this. There's a tree on a rock. It's like some crazy looking tree too. Look at all this.
It's crazy, man.
What? I know it's like doesn't really come through to camera, but like, look at this one. We gotta go over here. Dude, it's on the rock. Damn, bro. So beautiful up here. We're cruising now. We're going downhill. We're on the backside of Mount Rogers now. And man, it's been like super chunky on the trail with a bunch of rocks and stuff. Just a bunch of this. And I forgot how nice the smooth trail is. And like you get like a patch of smooth trail, dude, and you just start freaking going. We're hauling it now. We're making good time. We did start a little later than we hoped. We started at 2. That's pretty late, but we're still making good time. All right, we are here at our campsite. Fire pit, creek down here. Nice little flat spot. Yeah, we're gonna set up camp right here and start making some food. Hang out, might make a fire, who knows, we'll see.
I slipped on the way up here, guys, and cut my hand, but I'm glad it wasn't worse. Me and Levi did make a little misturn, and we went straight instead of you're supposed to turn right and go down the trail. There was somebody camping right there, and Levi was talking to him, and we just wasn't paying attention. And we went down kind of far, but we had to turn back around, and we're here now.
Yeah, that happened. My knees hurt, my legs hurt, my feet hurt. I brought Tylenol PM, so that's gonna help us sleep tonight. All right, we're trying to start a fire. It's a little damp down here, so we're trying. Got that Insta fire.
There's no tear plate.
Just rip it open, man.
Tough packaging. Try and get that.
Might need to get the knife.
Levi, you're literally just running away the rock.
So we can't get a fire started. Every time we get the fire going to a good level, like it looks healthy, it just dies out because we can't find any dry stuff around here, and we keep feeding it damp stuff, which is crazy. Everything's damp, and it didn't even rain today. I don't understand that, but all right, we just ate. We're in the crib. We got the food stored.
There's a singular gnat in here.
Is there a gnat?
Yeah, you just hold. Oh, you almost hit me.
The bugs are nuts. We're trying our best to keep them out, but they're everywhere. Anyways, we're tired. We're gonna take some Tylenol and pass out. We'll see you in the morning. Buenos dias. It's me. It's the morning. I might look like a mess just because I am a mess. As you can see, the tent is soaked. Everything's soaked. And my feet are soaked too because my shoes are soaked. That's because literally, I'm not even lying, as soon as we were dozing off, we heard some thunder and we were like, oh, that's kind of cool and peaceful. And then it kept getting closer and closer and closer, and then it started dumping. And it rained and thunderstormed for a lot of the night, so that was not fun. It was kind of peaceful, like the rain kind of helped me sleep a little bit, but now everything's soaked. Also, I figured out that my freaking sleeping pad has a hole in it, so that's great. I was sleeping on the floor for half the night. Other than that, I think I slept good enough to where I'm feeling able to continue. Our bear can, we put our bear can across the river and it's here. We have food. Let's make some freaking breakfast and get back to hiking. All right, we've all packed up camp, and now we got to do a little creek crossing here. I fell into this last night putting the bear can up, so let's see. I don't have waterproof shoes. I mean, I guess my feet are kind of already wet anyways, but still. Rocks are wet. A lot different. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a lot. It's a lot harder with a giant bag on. We did.
That was not fun.
This is literally the trail. Like, it's just a bunch of slush. Just goopy goo. Oh my gosh. Dude,
oh my gosh, dude. I went in.
Yeah. All right, so we made it to the top of the first climb. We are at a crossroads. This way is Pine Mountain. I don't think we're going that way. I think we're going this way on the Appalachian Trail.
We have one more climb, and Levi says that he thinks it's going to be more steep but shorter.
If I remember correctly, yeah.
And then after that, it's just all downhill right back to the car.
I'm just thankful that it's not super humid and hot out today. It could definitely be hotter. Last time I was out here, I mean, it was in the 80s and it was super humid. And normally after a rain like this, it would be super humid and like a steam room in here. But it's nice, and we have a nice breeze today. So we're gonna take a little break right here. I'm gonna eat one of those gel packets and then drink some water and head on. This is the lemonade GU energy gel. It does have lemonade flavor, but like it also has like a weird flavor too. But I mean, it's pretty good.
I like this one better. Kind of nice berry taste to it.
Check it out. Got that goop. The whole idea of these just sounds disgusting. It's just like goo, but it's a quick way to get all the stuff that you'd want when you're hiking.
Yeah, like I'd rather not be eating it, but I need the stuff that's in it. So.
It's not like I'd buy these at home and like snack on them. Oh, my ass hurts. Being a skinny guy, I have no ass cheeks, and sitting on rocks hurt. And I've been sitting on rocks all day today and tomorrow and yesterday. I guess this is like where everybody comes to horseback ride. This is called Scales, a little camp here. Guys, so we just got a view of Wilburn Ridge out there, and if you can see that curved mountain in the background, that is Mount Rogers. We were literally we went around it all the way over that way. It gives you a perspective of how far we came. We hiked all the way up Wilburn Ridge, back down on the other side of this, around Mount Rogers, all the way around to here. I mean, it doesn't feel like we've hiked that far, but I mean, I know we've hiked a lot. When you see how far we came, it's crazy. Super cool. We're entering the Grayson Highlands State Park again, which means that we're getting pretty close to where we parked. Still on the Appalachian Trail. I think we're about to get off of it here soon, but all right guys, we just passed the top of the last climb, and now we're on the home stretch. Straight down to the car. I can smell it, you know what I mean? And I can smell the Mexican food that we're about to eat. More than anything, I can just smell our body odor. I can't believe that we just did 20 miles in, I mean, less than 2 days. Hiking hours, let's see, 10 or 11 hours or something like that. maybe I'm completely wrong and I'm bad at math and I'm losing it from being out here for so long, but it's the most hiking I've ever done, most hiking Caden's ever done in one backpacking trip. I'm super stoked that we did it. Super proud of ourselves. Oh my gosh. Whew. Boys, we made it. We're back.
We did it.
Yes.
We did it, man.
We did it. 20 miles, dude. Feels good. Just in time. Thunderstorms rolling in. That is it for this adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you can leave a like, comment, subscribe if you like this kind of content. We're gonna be doing some cool videos for the next several videos on my channel. We're gonna be going up to New York City, New England, and the Adirondacks, and doing all kinds of activities, and who knows what we're gonna get into. And I'm gonna be filming all of it and putting it on this channel for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, peace out and live cosmic.